To hit my first million, all I needed was an internet connection and a little faith. You know, people just starting out in trading don't get this, and it's even worse for those who don't even try. If I hadn't believed in this chance and gone for it, I would never have gotten to where I am today. For you and everyone new to trading, I've made a video revealing a 5-step system no one knows about, which let me find total freedom once and for all. Make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's go. Hey there everyone, glad you are watching this. I'm Agatha and I've been trading for over 7 years now. I'm here to share an advanced online trading method. Why do most beginners lose savings when they start trading? They just don't get how to develop in this area and they don't have a solid plan. They just rush into the market and chaotically enter trades, hoping to get all of the benefits quickly. And of course, everyone screws up at first. But today, I'm dropping a 5-step system that will help you get the hang of trading without all those doubts and mistakes. Let's not waste our time. Step 1. Set the right mindset. Trading needs to be a daily thing for you, so first off, know that you will need to invest some time. It's recommended to spend about 5 to 30 minutes each day for trading. And in the beginning, start with small amounts. You can even start from any sum and not stress if you lose it. Consider every loss and success as part of the learning process. Keep cool and analyze what worked and what didn't. This will keep your attitude positive. Repeat how to form a habit. Plan when you will trade. Start with maybe 5 minutes and gradually up the time. Trade every day. Ideally choose a time and trade during that period. Be ready to lose small sums at the start. Learn to treat success and losses the same and always analyze them. Be in a good mood when you start trading. You need to be physically fit. That's why many traders like to trade after they work out. When your mind and body are in shape, you perform well. Another big booster is having a solid support system and a seasoned mentor with over 10,000 hours of trading experience. It's way easier to walk an unknown path with someone, especially if they're experienced too. I've already achieved so many of my dreams: houses, cars, jewelry, and achieved total independence. But I know starting out can be tough, so on my Telegram channel I'm there to back you up, answer questions, give advice and help with the platform. And to keep your vibes high, I post my trading entry points daily. You will get all the details, the currency pair, forecasted movements, timing, and so on. So you can trade with me. Just yesterday, my subscribers and I made an impressive result of 572,000. You could have been part of that. You will find the link to my channel in the video description, all for free. Join my trading sessions today. Step 2. Learning the tools. First off, you gotta get familiar with the platform where you will be trading. Let's start by diving into the platform interface. Look at the settings you need. Just dive right into the platform. So, here we have the trade time frame. I usually trade on the minute. It's the most effective way to predict market moves. I suggest you click around, see what options you have. Next, investment. I've got $17 in my account and I'm gonna trade all of it to show you what's possible. You can also start with small amounts and it's better not to put it all in at once. Managing risk is crucial. Then we pick the candlestick time frame. For minute trades, I like using 30 seconds. You could use minute-long candles for minute trades, but bumping up the chart detail works better for me. Next, choose your currency pairs, always aiming for the highest percentages, like American dollar and Brazilian real at 93%, New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar at 92%, Canadian dollar and Swiss franc at 90%, and New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc at 89%. The higher the percentage of the currency pair, the more you can make, like invest $10 and get $90 back. The percentages change during the day, so stay sharp. And the most important tool that every trader needs to study are the indicators. They help analyze the chart and predict potential price changes. Today we'll use envelopes and RSI with standard settings. By the way, I've already banked over 67,000 using strategies with these indicators. At the end of the video, I'll tell you how these indicators work, and you will quickly learn how to analyze the chart. Step 3. Getting the hang of trading. Try it out. We're all set. $17 in the account. Let's see how this goes. Wish me luck. US dollar and Brazilian real. Okay, look at the chart. Look at the indicator readings. Envelopes are drawing a downward channel, and the candles aren't even fixing above the middle line of the channel. RSI is also on the lower part of the indicators. I predict a downward movement. I press down. Great, and my analysis was correct. Now I have 32 in the account. New Zealand dollar and Canadian dollar. Looks like envelopes glitched out again. Well, it happens. The chart has been showing a downward price movement for a while, even though RSI is below 30, meaning it's oversold. We know this could signal a bounce back from the support level, and there's an emerging green candle. Each previous bounce lasted about 1.5 minutes or 3 candles. So I invest in going up. Nice! Our call was on point, and let's continue the session. After all, I still have a ton of important information for you. Looks like the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc are a bit iffy right now, especially this long green candle worries me. Let's not risk it and move on to the next pair. New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc. Here, there was a reversal from the maximum, then a bounce from the support level. But both indicators show that the bounce is temporary, so I invest in going down. Awesome result! The deposit increased to 117, and I spent no more than 4 minutes trading. Pretty slick, yes? Step 4. It's important to study the theory. For instance, if you learn about a new strategy, don't rush to test it immediately. Better to first study the theory, read information about the indicators, and understand how they work. By the way, I constantly post educational content on my Telegram channel. And since we were talking about theory, let's understand how our indicators work today. Envelopes. This indicator consists of moving average lines that indicate the direction of the chart movement. It surrounds the chart from both sides. Expect the price to move up when it crosses the lower line, and often the chart moves down when it exceeds the upper line. RSI, an indicator that helps determine the market mood. Its scale from 0 to 100 allows assessing the overall trend strength and the current level of oversold or overbought conditions of the instrument. Together, these tools help you get a well-rounded view of what's happening on the charts and make smart price predictions. Now let's nail this down. Back to the platform. American dollar and Brazilian real. The price took a major dip, but it looks like it's gearing up for a rise. RSI is bouncing back from the 30 mark, and from the way the candles are moving, you can tell buyers are trying to take control. Going up on this one. Wow, this moment might seem risky for those new to the stock market. Guys, if you don't have a savvy mentor like me, don't risk your savings going into trades you are not confident about. And if you're unsure about every trade which happens, then join my Telegram channel. I share free trading signals daily. All you need to do is follow my lead. I created my Telegram channel specifically for those interested in a fast and reliable start in trading, and it's already grown to more than 12,000 subscribers. Just yesterday, my subscribers and I hit an impressive result, 572,000. You could have been part of that. You will find the link to my channel in the video's description. Don't waste time, join my Telegram channel for free and start trading with us. Moving to the New Zealand and Canadian dollar pair. Envelopes are letting us down again, but we'll handle it. The chart shows a continuing downward trend, and we are going to follow it, going down. Our capital now at 436. That's seriously solid, but no time to stop yet. Canadian and Swiss franc. Okay. Wow, during such a pulse, it's time to jump in, down. The pair is globally trending down, and after such a strong bounce, a reversal usually follows. Plus, envelopes finally came through and marked the downward movement with its lines. Incredible! Looks like I'm the financial wizard again. And the final step in our trading journey, step 5, trade, trade, trade. Nothing teaches you how to analyze the chart like personal practice and your own mistakes. Of course, by this point, it's wise to come at trading as prepared as possible to minimize those mistakes. But they're inevitable. Don't be afraid of them. Just keep the previous steps in mind. The right mindset. Learn the tools, indicators, patterns, candlestick analysis. Try it out, study the theory, and with that, your trading is gonna be way more on point, just like this. New Zealander and Frank. We are still seeing an upward trend here. The RSI hasn't hit the overbought zone yet, so I'm sticking with the trend and going up. Wow, did you see the price jump at the end? I nailed it again, sweet. Buck and reel. The chart situation hasn't changed much. No signs of a trend reversal, so we are going down, hit that bottom. My analysis leads me to rewards again. Excellent! And now for today's final trade. New Zealander, Canadian. We are seeing more bounces. Red impulses are getting shorter and envelopes are almost flat. I'm predicting a reversal, going up. Fantastic! Ending the session with 3,426 in the bank. What a killer result! All thanks to my technical analysis skills. Awesome. And I totally get how scary it is to dive into trading. I remember when I decided to turn my whole life around. All those doubts, waiting for someone to tell me the right moves. Then I started trading and hit my first million. Felt so proud of myself, bought a big house, a car, and now I'm traveling all the time. But it's not just about the financial reward. What really matters to me is helping others hit their dreams and afford whatever they want. That's why I created a Telegram channel where I support new traders. I answer questions, break down how everything works on the platform, offer advice, and share trading entry points. And my subscribers follow my lead and achieve impressive results. They're over the moon about it. And like I said, just yesterday we got 572,000. To trade with me, you just need to take 2 quick steps. First, subscribe to my Telegram channel using the link in the description. And second, send me a direct message. And I'll show you everything, right down to pressing each button. Trading with my help is gonna be super interesting, and it's all totally free. Don't miss your chance to transform your life. That's all for today. Just trust me. Bye-bye.